Hello, we are Gamča Team. We are from Slovak Republic in Bratislava from Grammar School Grosslingova. We are so happy we can be in this competition because we love Minecraft. We made some school in nature so students can learn everything about this. Firstly, we made this perfect house in the air. It has perfect and special benefit. So people can live on the ground and bees will be alone in here. We love it. Also, we have some greenhouses. This one is used to winter because when it's winter, bees can go anywhere. So we made something. This is the second one, greenhouse. And we have the third one too. It has a lot of flowers. But still, for me, the main thing in this world is this electrical. This electrical is really good thing what can be in this world, because gases from animal farms is used to produce heat and electrical. But also we have here some retention tanks. First one is in here and the second one is in here. This one is better because some animals live in there and they love them.